What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial will guide you through the process of installing the Debutify theme on your Shopify store. Debutify theme is a popular free theme that can enhance the design and functionality of your online store. By following the steps, you can easily set up and customize your store to better attract customers. First, go to the Debutify website, type debutify.com. While we are on the website, click on Try Free Trial button to start the process. While starting a free trial, log into your account. If you don't have an account, create a new one by clicking Register or clicking Continue with Google or Facebook for a fast process and creating an account. As you can see, mine is already connected. Since we're here to install the Debutify theme on Shopify, click Start for free in the Debutify theme section. After that, click Integrate in the Shopify section. Now, just enter your URL from the site you created in Shopify. It will need to be verified first before getting into the next step. After verifying your URL, set up your theme. It's up to you on how you set up your own theme for your URL. As you can see, mine is already created, where it says in the Debutify section, Open. Installing the Debutify theme on your Shopify store can significantly improve your store's look and functionality. Follow the steps to get started, and there you go. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.